Henry Bardmass was born on March 10, 1837, in Perry County, Illinois. He was the seventh of 16 children born to Peter and Dorcas Keith Bardmass. When Henry was born, his father was 30 and his mother was 28. Henry grew up in Perry County and his parents farmed for a living. Henry's father was another example of a family's last name being spelled differently on several different censuses and sources. The spellings of their name included Bardmass, Bardmess, Portness, and Portmess. In March of 1865, at the age of 28, Henry began his service for the Civil War. He was a private for the 156th Illinois Infantry, Company K for the Union. He served for 6 months and mustered out in September of 1865. 3 years after his service in the war, on June 12, 1868, 31-year-old Henry married 18-year-old Eliza Statton. Henry and Eliza would have 6 children together, 3 boys and 3 girls: Molly, Clarence, Albert, Hayes, Ida Bell, and Martha Luella. Sometime after getting married, Henry and Eliza moved to Douglas County, Missouri. After the move, Henry passed away. He passed on August 26, 1885, at the age of only 48. A relative left a note on his ancestry page that, according to his daughter Martha's family Bible, he passed away due to tuberculosis, also known as consumption. His family buried him in Tedrick Cemetery in Douglas County, Missouri. 8 years after Henry passed away in 1893, 43-year-old Eliza married 52-year-old Joseph Bown. According to an ancestry site, Joseph had also lost his first spouse, and he had 8 children from his first marriage. Joseph and Eliza would have 1 daughter together, Jessie. But Eliza passed away only 4 years after marrying Joseph. She passed away in 1897 at the age of 47. According to the family Bible, she also died of tuberculosis. Eliza is buried next to Henry in Tedrick Cemetery. A fact I did find interesting: after Eliza passed away, Joseph would remarry for a 3rd time, and he would then have 7 children with his next wife. This brought Joseph's total child count to 16. You can see in the video at some point Henry's stone broke in half and somebody did repair it, so I was sure to check if it was stable before cleaning. The top of Henry's stone has a hand reaching down from clouds holding a chain. This symbolizes the hand of God reaching down to take the soul of the deceased to heaven. The chain represents the deceased person's family being left behind, and if there's a broken link in it, it signifies the family being broken. I didn't notice if any of the links were broke on Henry's stone. This symbol is also associated with a sudden death, life being cut short, and the soul being taken unexpectedly. Henry was only 48 when he died, so this does match his story. His epitaph says, "A little while on earth he spent, till God for him an angel sent." My family tree showed that I'm not related to Henry, but I am related to his wife, Eliza. Eliza is my 8th cousin, 5 times removed. Thank you so much for watching. Rest in peace, Henry.